wait, like that. Okay. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this dinner of salt. It's like such a treat to get to have dinner together. And I'm just really grateful to spend this meal together, even if it's over Zoom. There are 3 to 4 salt shakers worth of salt in the human body, and without salt, you would literally die. Now take a pinch of salt and put it in your mouth and wash it down with a little water. Salt is the only crystal that is consumed. It is the thing that is most commonly used in preservation processes that we've been using for this, to make brine, to preserve meat, and even to mummify human bodies. Salt offers sterilization. Salt offers cleanliness, and salt makes water buoyant. The more I think about salt, the more difficult it becomes to extract it from lifeness. There's something inherently essential about salt. Salt is in the blood. Salt in the body cleans the little ocean inside of you, keeping your cells functioning, a host for bacteria and microorganisms. Evolution is always historical and collaborative. Things only grow and change because they come into contact with other things. The body is an ecosystem. For much of human history, salt was literally currency. The history of salt is also the history of humans, of labor. Boiled salt water to separate salt from the sea. Salt mines were incredibly dangerous, and they dried out the body from dehydration. When people are angry, they are salty, and salt leaves our body as urine and sweat. Initially, I wanted to get us all salt from the same location and send it to everyone as packages for this dinner. But I feel like there's really no need, since all salt essentially comes from the same place, from water, whether mined in Texas or in a salt deposit pulled from the ocean. Salt chemically allows for us to taste food, and it enhances the flavor. It is one of 4 flavors we can actually taste and not just smell. Salt circles are used to create safe space. In the same manner, some witchy references say that a pile of salt will clean the room of bad vibes. To be young again, to be clean again, to be weightless. I feel that focusing on salt for the past couple of weeks has offered a sense of cleanliness and purity that honestly feels so refreshing. As my hands become cracked and brittled from dousing them in hand sanitizer as an attempt to stay clean, it is helpful to think of salt, a form of sanitization that works with life. As we enter into a new and horrifying moment of this pandemic, let us take a moment to cherish our time together with salt. I invite you to use this pile of salt with your meal tonight. Let it live on inside of you like a moving salt circle, keeping your body clean and buoyant. Now you may salt your food. That was so beautiful.
Wonderful. So good, Jasmine.